Shaktambar Stotra, Eulogy of Lord Adinatha, verse number 13. वक्त्रं क्वते सुरनरोरगनेत्रहारी निःशेषनिर्जितजगत् तृतीयोपमानं बिम्बं कलङ्कमलिनं क्व निशाकरस्य यद्वासरे भवति पाण्डुपलाशकल्पम्. Its incomparable look. Prose order, verse number 30. Pay attention here. First line of word contains the words Vaktram, Kwa, Te, Sur, Nar, Urag, Netra, Hari. Vaktram, that means face. Kwa, what to say. Te, your. Sur, celestial beings. Nar, human beings. Urag, it's divine serpents. Or can say of divine serpents. Netra, Hari, attracts the eyes. Second line contains the words Niha Sesha, Nirjit, Jagat, Tritaya, Upamanam. Nihasesh here means holy, or can say nothing is left. Nirjit, it's ruled over. Jagat, Tritaya, of three worlds. Upamanam, it's to all the similes. Third line contains the words Bimbam, Kalanka, Malinam, Kwa, Nisha Karasya. Here Bimbam means disc, Kalank with dark spots. Malinam is stained, or can say filthy. Kwa, what to say. Nisha Karasya, of the moon. Sanskrit name of moon is Nishakar. The last line of verse number 13 contains the words Yat Vasare Da becomes Ta due to Sanskrit Vyakaran Sutras. Yat Vasare Bhavati Panju Palasha Kalpam. Here Yat means which, Vasare during day hours, Bhavati becomes, Panju it's pale or yellow, Palash leaves of Butea monosperma, Kalpam it's alike. Now look at the whole meaning of verse number 13. We are taking the help of chart here, so to make it understand so easily. there is Devaktra, that means your face, and on another side there is Nisha Parasya Bimbam, that means moon disk. Qua, common for both. What to say about your face and what to say about the moon disk. Here Hari, that means your face attracts. Sur Narorag Netra, your face attracts the eyes of Sur, celestial beings, Nar, human beings, and Urag, divine serpent's eyes, and other that Nisha Parasya Bimbam, the moon disk, is Kalank Malinam, that means with dark spots and stain. Here comparison is taking place of in between moon disk and your face. Niha Sesha Nirjit. Devaktra, your face, first quality of your face is attracting stuff, and second one is Nihasesh Nirjit, watch Jagat Tri Tayog Manam, that means your face is so charming, ruled over all the similes of whole world, and nothing is left. And other side, moon disk is Yad Vasare Bhavati Panju Palash Kalpam. Other side, your face is having incomparable look, and we can't compare it from moon disk. Look at the complete meaning of this verse. How can there be drawn comparison between your face and the moon? The latter is stained with dark spots and looks pale as well during day hours, like the leaves of Butea monosperma, while your face, which focuses the eyes of humans, celestials, and divine serpents, surpasses all the similes of threefold worlds. In this way, we discussed about the prose order of verse number 13. Now, look at the text of this verse. Here, saying bye to prose order of verse number 13, Bhaktambar Stotra.